Good evening, everyone, respected judges and all present here. So we are presenting our district South Garo Hills and we are performing the Wangala dance. Wangala is a festival that celebrates the end of a period of hard work and the beginning of winter. It is also to give thanks for the rich harvest. The festival is a strong part of the Garo's identity and gives a glimpse of their heritage and culture. The first step of dance is called Reumkata, which means coming out for Wangala dance. Once in a year, traditionally the Garos are coming out for Wangala dance. The dance is called Salamka, which means handshaking of their friends. It is usually the Garos that like to handshake their friends. This dance is called Ajime Rua, the dance of October. The Garos believe that Ajime or Dosamba teaches the dance step of Wangala dance. which means a cultural dance. This dance is domestic chuteka, which means a girl giving a local wine for her loved one. Next dance is makrerka, that's showing the chasing away the monkeys from the jam cultivation. The dance is jong, that it is the dance showing the looking up of the moon. Lastly, they are performing goodbye to their friends at the end of the Wangala dance.
Thank you, South Garo